Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll show you how to write a professional engagement letter. It is a formal agreement between two parties defining the scope of services, responsibilities, and terms of the engagement. You will begin your engagement letter by including your firm's name, address, city, state, zip code, email, phone number, and the date. This ensures professionalism and provides the client with your essential contact details. Next, include a clear title, engagement letter, followed by a formal salutation addressing the client by name. After that, write, "We are pleased to confirm our engagement to provide specific services as per our discussions. Our services will be performed in accordance with applicable professional standards and will be based on the information provided by you. This engagement does not include any legal or regulatory compliance beyond the agreed scope. Our fees for this engagement will be fee details payable as per the agreed terms. If you have any questions or require further clarification, please do not hesitate to contact us. We look forward to working with you. Sincerely, your name, your position, your firm's name." Here's our sample professional engagement letter. Notice how it clearly outlines the scope of services, defines the responsibilities of both parties, and includes essential details such as fees, timelines, and terms of engagement. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and professional engagement letter that ensures transparency and mutual understanding. This letter formalizes the agreement and serves as a reference point for both parties. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more guidance on drafting professional letters.